Alright everybody, welcome back. It's Big Al. How you like the cool little movie clacker? Cool, right? Alright, let's see. Let's go zoom in here. We've got a challenge lock, as you saw. It's by Jeffrey Post, and this one is just simply number 1 by Jeffrey Post. There's the bidding on the key. I noticed it does have a little, you got to kind of pull back on the key a little bit to get it to turn, but then it does turn. If you pull back on it a little bit, then it goes. So let's see if we can't get into this bad boy right here. I have not tried this yet, by the way. Not at all. Seems to fit okay in the top there. So we'll try that. And it looks like, I don't know if the camera can see that. It's a little ledge right there. I might be able to pick right off that ledge. I'm going to give it a shot. Let's see, I will be trying it with my Sparrows picks. And I'm hoping, I had the microphone on this new camera. I didn't know it was just on auto set to like zoom mode or something. So I've got the microphone dialed back a little bit, so I'm hoping it's not picking up the air conditioner like it was. Somebody stated that it sounded like a truck idling in the background, and I realized it kind of did because the microphone was cranked up. So I want it dialed down enough to kill that, but still pick up the lock. So hopefully I got it. Enough rambling. Okay, I've got, let me see, 1, 2, 3, pin 4. Little action. Got a little click, but it didn't feel real good. 5. Yeah, I'm not sure if that was a good click or not. Let's back out. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 maybe? I don't know. 3. Feels like I'm oversetting. 1. I don't know if that's set, and it's pretty stuck. Not sure. Okay, there it went. Okay, now it feels like it's set. Boy, that thing's up there. Alright, 2. I don't know if they're supposed to be that high. 1, 2, 3, feels set. 4. Okay, I dropped, I want to say it's 5. Not sure. Let me try this other pick with a slightly more of a hook to it. Let's see, 2, 3, 4. Okay, yeah, we got one in the back that's all the way on the ground. Let me see if I can get it to go. It's not wanting to move. Okay, there it went, I think. There we go. Beautiful. Yep, there's something funky. I want to say maybe pin 5. Something tricky back there. Let's see what we got. Let's check it out. Nice, Jeffrey. Very nice. Okay, let's move this light out of the way a little bit here. We can bring the camera down over here. About right here, I think. New blue pinning tray from Bobby Keys. Beautiful, right? Loving it. Thanks again, Bobby. I really appreciate it, bud. Back out a little bit. Maybe right there. Okay. It is very much open. Fair enough. Very open. I'm going to lock it back up since we got a key. And I've got some new, these new, what do you call them? Ring remover tools, I guess, something only probably the second time I've gotten to use them, but look how easy that works. Man, sure beats trying to tear them off with pliers. Tell you what. Okay. Yeah, those already paid for themselves. Harbor Freight. Okay, let's see. Got to back. Whoa, got to back off a little bit on it to get it to turn. See if we can get a shim in there. Well, maybe, maybe not. Yep. No, it's not going too good. Yeah, it's not going that far. Tells me there's something. Okay, it went a little farther. Alright, we're going to try and go with that. Let's see. Let's see what we got here. Hopefully that fits. Pins are on my side. Nice. Little 5-pinner. Let's see what it looks like without the key. Oh yeah, they all needed picking, that's for sure. I'm seeing some threading in everything. Yeah, looks all threaded. Let's get them laid out here. Oops, that's 4 and 5. Nice. These are all standard. Nothing done to the key pins. Take a peek at the core, and yeah, they're all threaded. All 5 are threaded on the core. See if we can pick that up. All 5 threaded. Alright. Get that shim out of there. And see what we got upstairs. Back over here for the camera. Let's see what we got. Looks like maybe a commercial serrated. I'm not sure. Yeah, it does look commercial. I'm not sure. If that's homemade, it looks just like a commercial. So does this. Yeah, they look like commercial serrated. That was like that. I'm sorry. That would have went like that. Yeah, because the serrated part's sticking up. Nope. That's not. Oh, okay, that's a standard. Oh, I didn't get the other spring. Damn it. Where is the other spring? It's stuck in there. Oh, I can see why. That spring's kind of discombobulated. And number 2, golly. 3, okay, number 4 popped up. 4 is looks like a standard. Another stuck spring. There we go. And number 5 is another, looks like commercial again. Commercial serrated. That's what it looks like. Another spring. And let's see. Oh yeah. Feels like only 1 and 5 are threaded. Yeah, 1 and 5 are threaded in the Bible. Okay, take a close up on these. Little pointer. Again, that was from Jeffrey Post. Thank you, Jeffrey, so much for making it and sending it to me. And this is number 1 out of, I think he's got 5 or so in the package, just numbered 1 through 5 or 6. And the pins, we've got all standard key pin, or key pins. And then drivers, they look factory. These do. 1, 2, and 5. They look like factory serrated, but Jeffrey, if you made those, just comment when I post this. Because I mean, those are pretty finely done. They look just like factory serrated. And then we've got standards in 3 and 4. And the springs all look standard, like what, copper or whatever they make them out of. Okay, that was fun. Very cool. Thank you all so much for watching. A little close up on the pins there. Alright, Big Al signing off.